Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar and to Wish Wednesday. Wish Wednesday, we love that. You wish for songs, I'll bring them up for you here on Wednesday. And you have your comments here and your possibilities to wish for songs here. So we have you, Lindsay Davis. You wish for Shaboozey's Anabelle. Great choice there. Shaboozey's been with us here lately with this bar song, and we're gonna look at Anabelle this time. Only 3 chords, so let's take a look at this one. Hope you enjoyed it, Lindsay, and all you Shaboozey fans. Alright, so we are going clean here, no need for any capo, and 3 chords. We're gonna look at the version of E minor first. E minor 9, I believe that would be the exact name or so. It is open E, second A, 4th D, open G, open B, and open E. Then we have the D, and that is this version of it. Looks like a C over here, but it's at this position. 5th A, 4th D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. And then we have the final chord, which is the C major 7. It goes like that. 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so that is the chord progression: E minor to D to C. Alright, so the different thing here is the strumming. We have 2 parts of it. So part 1, if we look at 1 full string round, it will be part 1 for 2 rounds and part 2 for 2 rounds, if that makes sense. We're gonna explain that pretty soon, but we're gonna start with the E minor chord. This is played for part 1, and it will be down, up, clap, up. Okay, that is 1 round. So if you grab that chord, down, up, clap, up. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds, okay? So that will be, these 2 rounds will be part 1, so. Okay, so down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up. Okay, so that is the first round. And that is the part 1. And then over to D, you're gonna play part 2 of it. So part 2 will be like this. So it's first 1 down, and then a short pause, a little bit delayed, and then comes up, clap. So down, up, clap. Down, up, clap. Okay? And you're gonna play that for 2 rounds, so that will be down, up, clap, down, up, clap. A little bit delayed on the 3rd, so to speak, but that is part 2. So 2 rounds of down, up, clap. So part 1 was E minor, down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up, then down, up, clap for D. And then for C, you're gonna play both of these, part 1 and part 2. So 2 rounds of part 1, down, up, clap, up, and then down, up, clap, like this. And that is the C. So the chord progression will be E minor, part 1. That means 2 rounds of down, up, clap, up. The D will be part 2. That means 2 rounds of down, up, clap, like this. And then you have C, 1 full round, which means part 1 for 2 rounds, so to speak, and part 2 for 2 rounds. So it goes like this. Through the entire song. You can just mention you don't have to do much to go from D to C. You have the same grip there almost. You just slide a little bit gently over to this position. You don't have to lift off and regrip to this. Just slide from D to C, and then you're back again. So technical stuff there. That is pretty much how you handle Shaboozey's Anabelle. Great song there. Thank you, Lindsay Davis, for being here on this channel, and continue. Wish all you guys who are following here on Going Guitar, perhaps it's your song next Wednesday or in the next Wednesday again, or next, or next. We'll see what happens. But anyway, thank you for interacting with me. Until next time, play tuned.